Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this has 16-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors, tinted rear windows. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay as well as DAB digital radio and full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done just over 8,500 miles. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.